We're gonna split this up and spend a couple days on it. It's all reviewed, but we'll just have 2 short assignments on it. Box and whisker plot. If you remember, you know, you put it on a number line. And then you put the box, and then there's the median as the middle, and then the whiskers.
Oh, I've seen this.
Okay? So what it does is it splits information up into fourths. That's what a box and whisker plot does. This is 1/4 of the data. This is 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4, or 25%. So the different questions they ask, like, is the numbers that fall in here, half of all the numbers fall in here, or half are here, or half are here, or 1/4 are down here, 1/4 are down there. Okay. When they ask questions about box and whisker plots, it usually always involves that. So it doesn't matter how big it is or how small it is. You can see this region smaller than that. There's still the same amount of numbers in there. You know, like if you have a list of numbers, 1/4 of the numbers fall in this region, 1/4 fall there, and 1/4 there, and 1/4 there. Okay? So there's first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile. They call this, instead of writing it out, you just go Q1, Q3, Q2, which is actually called the median. The median, remember, is what? Middle number. So this is the median right here. And you can call it either one, Q2 or the median. It usually calls it the median. This one right here is the first quartile, and this is the third quartile. Okay? So the way you find those is first you have to put the numbers in order. So starting here, -5 is the smallest, and there's 2 of them. Then we got a -3 and a -2. Then a 0, 1, 2, 2. Is there 3? No. 2 4s. 7, 8, 10, 10. 11 and 15. Okay, so we got to find Q1, Q2, which is the median, and Q3. So the median, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 numbers. So if we count in 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's going to be in between those 2. Remember, sometimes if it's an odd amount of numbers, it'll fall right on a middle number. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. So what this means is the median's between 2 and 4, which is 3. Then, anyone remember how to find the first quartile?
No.
It's the median of the first half. It's the middle of the first half. So there's 8 numbers here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to be right there. See 4 and 4? -1. And then the third quartile is just the middle of the second half. 1, 2, 3, 4. So between 8 and 10 is 9. So what these quartiles do is it splits it up into 1, 2, 3, 4 different pieces, and they each have 4 numbers in them. So what we will be doing today is making it the box and whisker plot. So when we do our number line, it goes from -5 to 15. You're not going to want to go by 1s. 2s. You could even go by 5s if you wanted to, but then it's kind of hard to see. So, yeah, maybe by 3s. If I start at -5, then it'd be -2, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, and 16. Did I do it right? 3. Yeah, okay. So then what you do is you got to put the end points, the smallest one, put a dot above it. You could put it below too if you want. The biggest one, 15, we just got to estimate, it's right about there. And then you put dots at these three. Q1 is at -1. Q2 is at 3. Q3 is at 9. Then you put the box around those with a line in the median, and then the whiskers go up. So what you can do to make sure you got it in the right spot is you could label every one. You could put a -5 there. This is -1, 3, 9, and 15. Probably a good idea to do that. Okay? So the one mistake some people do, let me do one more. Let me make up my own. Okay, I'll just put these in order. Okay, so if we had this list of numbers, the median, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So if you count in 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that would be the middle. Because then I'd have 6 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you got to find the first quartile, which is just the middle of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be in between these two. 7 plus 11 is 18. Divided by 2 is 9. 1, 2, 3. So between 30 and 32 is 31. So here's what some people do wrong. This is the smallest. This is the biggest. So you need these 5 points on a graph. So this is what people will do. They'll put a 6, a 9, a 21, a 31, and a 39. Okay, that doesn't work because this goes up 3 and then it jumps up 12 and then a 10 and then 8. You got to have the same unit. The reason why I do box and whisker is to see which part is longer or shorter. If you did it like this every time, it's just going to be proportional. They'll all be the same length. That's not right. Okay? So you have to make your number line with your jumping the same amount each time. So I want to go from 6 to 39. I'll maybe just go by 5. Start at 5. 10. So I need a dot at 6, a dot at 9, a dot at, oh yeah, this would be 40, a dot at 21, 31, and 39. So then you put the box around the first quartile and the third quartile with a line through the median, and then the whiskers going out. And then you should label it so you know exactly what this is. That's 6, 9, 21, 31, and 39. Okay, everyone got it? Yep. So we're just doing, I think it's four of these, 4 or 5.